Are you tired of accidentally triggering keyboard shortcuts in Zendesk and disrupting your workflow? Disable them in under 2 minutes with 2 simple checkboxes. We'll open your profile, locate keyboard shortcuts, and uncheck the 2 boxes that control them. Zendesk saves automatically, so you're done in no time. Okay, first things first, navigate to the Zendesk homepage. Now, go ahead and click on your profile at the top right corner. Then click on Keyboard Shortcuts. You'll see a checkbox for Enable Keyboard Shortcuts. Click it to uncheck it and disable the shortcuts. Then do the same for Enable Keyboard Shortcuts for macros and shortcuts in Composer to turn that off too. Zendesk will automatically save this for you. There's no save button to hunt down, so you're all done. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.